Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Moomoo for stock analysis detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing the Moomoo app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the home screen. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the stock ticker symbol you want to analyze. Tap on the stock to view its detailed profile. Scroll down to access essential metrics like price, market cap, and PE ratio. Next, navigate to the chart section to visualize historical price movements. Adjust the time frame of the chart, selecting options ranging from 1 day to 5 years. Utilize the various technical indicators available. Choose from indicators like moving averages, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. Overlay these indicators on the stock chart for enhanced analysis. Switch to the news section to read the latest articles and updates related to your selected stock. Check the Financials tab for quarterly and annual reports. Review key financial statements like the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Utilize the community feature to engage with other investors and discuss insights. Explore the earnings calendar to track upcoming earnings announcements. Visit the analysis section to see analyst ratings and target prices. Compare your selected stock with industry peers using the comparison tool. Create watch lists for stocks you want to monitor closely. Utilize the alerts feature to set notifications for significant price changes or news. Finally, experiment with the platform's different features to optimize your analysis process. With practice, you'll become increasingly proficient in using Moomoo for detailed stock analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.